happening?
She's hunting.
What? What is it?
Look, hunting.
It's hatching?
Yeah.
What's in there?
Baby's touching egg.
Dad might have cooked him already.
No, it dropped and broke. That's what happened. There's no babies in these eggs.
No. You want to see?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Those are the eggs we eat.
Look, 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 look. Look. Hunting. Look. Hunting. Baby hunting.
Baby's hatching.
It's not a baby. These eggs don't have babies in them. These are the eggs we eat.
She's hunting. Look, hunting. Dad.
But look at it. Is it a baby?
Yeah, baby.
No, it's an egg we eat.
Want a bite?
That's good. And good.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
Wait. She baked. And she baked Mom.
I don't like them. No, thank you.
That's a good hatchling.